Did you know that you're only 3 steps away from getting a proven online marketing system that can potentially make a consistent 3 to 4 figures per day for you by ensuring your marketing messages instantly get to your potential buyers and are read immediately? Will that help you make more money in the next 30 days than you did in the last 3 months? Probably so. And if that sounds exciting, listen up. For the first time ever, you can now communicate directly with your customers across the 3 biggest mediums: email, SMS, and voice broadcasting. There are more than 4 billion email users. Add to that, email marketing has a better ROI than any other medium. I am talking an amazing $42, such as for every $1 you spend on emails, you can expect an average return of $42, plus SMS and voice messaging have a whopping 98% open rate and a 209% higher response rate than Facebook. Here are some other facts which are very important for you if you're trying to sell anything online. First of all, 49% of consumers say that they would like to receive promotional emails from their favorite brands on a weekly basis. Number 2, the average American checks his phone 47 times a day. That's mind-boggling. Number 3, 90% of SMS messages are read within 3 minutes. Number 4, consumers redeem SMS-delivered coupons 10 times more than other types of coupons. And lastly, marketing with OmniBlaster is the most profitable way of selling. With OmniBlaster, you can avoid the risk that your ads would never be seen by people on Facebook and Instagram, and save on exorbitant fees every time you want to connect with your customers. Most importantly, you get your message to your customers where they actually are going to read them. But how does it work? Well, simply, you set up and run a quick email, SMS, or voice campaign. You generate instant landing pages in 1 click. You collect easy payments via a built-in PayPal checkout. Now, this has never been done before. Never lose a lead again. Instantly connect to people who have engaged with your messages in the past on one medium via the other 2 mediums. OmniBlaster has everything you need to increase your sales and profits. A complete setup that is ready to deploy for profits. Instantly broadcast or schedule broadcast of messages, updates, discounts, or announcements through voice, SMS, and email. Easily create responsive opt-in pages with shareable links that suck in free traffic. And force people to buy through an automated voice, SMS, and/or email campaign. Easily create several sequences of messages and link these with your earlier created campaign. There's built-in PayPal checkout system for receiving instant payments, and seamlessly integrate with Infobip, Twilio, Plivio, Nexmo, Clickatel, Mailgun, Amazon SES, ElastisMail, and of course SMTP, and so much more. Now, the truth is that Facebook and other social media platforms are not where your prospects hang out with a buyer's mindset. They are there to socialize and connect with friends. Get them where they are ready to buy, and you'll always be in profit. Studies show that people today are quickly moving to platforms that are one-to-one or one-to-few chosen ones, like Snapchat, WhatsApp, SMS, Kik, Secret. Experts believe that it's back to the future. We have moved back into an era of email retake over. If you miss out on the OmniBlaster this time around, you'll be leaving behind a lot more money than you'd care to calculate. By hitting all the inboxes and SMS windows with just 1 click, well, OmniBlaster is revolutionizing the way you get sales messages across, and that saves you time and effort. But you only have until the time on this page expires to get OmniBlaster for such a low price. So click below to secure your copy right now and get started. Get more engagement, more clicks, and more sales with just 1 hit of the send button before it reverts to a $197 per month subscription. I'll see you shortly inside the members area.